Hi, I'm Emily and I'm an art manager at XR Games. So I started at XR Games straight out of university. I've been here nearly 4 years. I started as a 3D artist and I've recently graduated up to art manager. So after I graduated university, I got a job in 3D outside of games. Using that, I worked up the skills in an office, and in my 3D skills, I applied for the role at XR Games and I got it. So day to day, I'm keeping up with all the progress of the many projects that we're working on and making sure everybody's on track and everybody's happy. I'm also working with onboarding, helping people to know what's going on, and just generally being the point of contact for people in the art team. So why you should come work at XR Games is that we're a really fun company with a lot of great people, and we also really value the knowledge of people who are new to the industry and that they can bring something new in. If I had one piece of advice for junior artists coming into the game industry, it's please use ArtStation as your portfolio website. Don't make your own on Wix. I don't know what's going on it.